Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your IRCC account. What is IRCC? IRCC standard for Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada. It is the government department that handles all immigration, visa and citizenship applications for Canada. Your online account to apply for visa, PR, work or study permit and citizenship. Upload documents and pay fee online. Track application status anytime, anywhere. Receive secure message from IRCC. Benefit of an IRCC account: faster application, no mailing delay. Track status in real time. Secure messaging with IRCC. Pay fee online. Less paperwork and everything digital. Now I show you how to create IRCC account. First we need to open our web browser and write down here IRCC Secure account canada.ca. Login into your IRCC Secure account. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can open directly through that link. Now I need to click on this link. IRCC Secure account. Scroll down. Here you can see sign in, GC key, user and password, and sign in partner. First I show you here. Click on sign in partner, and here you can see here is a list of all bank account names. If you want, you can open an account with any bank from this list, but today I will show you GC key, user and password. First we need to open this link. Welcome to GC key, sign in and password. If you have account with the GC key, then you can enter here username and password, but today I will show you how to sign up. First we need to click on sign up. Click here. Term and condition for use, we need to click on I accept. Click on this. Create your username. Username must be at least 8 character and be a unique, and make your user easy to you, remember and hard to other guess. Avoid using personal information like name, social insurance number and email ID, and always keep your username secure and do not share with anyone. Now we need to create an username, and after that we need to click on continue. Create your password. Create password and confirm password, and after that click on continue. And here you can see password checklist. Create your recovery question, answer and hints. Select recovery question. Select from this drop down. Pick any question and give answer here. My memorable person, and write down here hint, memorable date and hint, and after that need to click on continue. Optional account recovery. To recover your user and password, you have two options to recover via email. If you do not wish to provide an email address at this time, you may skip this step. Email can be added later. You will be use this email, and here you can see if you want, you can enter here email address and confirm email address. If you want, click on continue, then click on continue and select the skip to provide without adding email, and if you want, you can skip email, but for now I will skip. Sign up complete. Here you can see you have successfully created, and click on continue. Choose a method of two-factor authentication: your smartphone or tablet, desktop device and email address, but now I click on email address. Set up your email address. Click on this link. Term and condition of use, and now we need to click on accept. Register your email address. Enter here email address and click on continue. Verify your email address. One-time passcode. Enter here passcode. I will check on my email. Recovery code. Have you securely recorded this code? And click on yes and click on continue. Two-factor authentication setup complete. You have successfully set up two-factor authentication, and now we click on continue. Immigration and citizenship. Click on English. Immigration and citizen come to Canada for work, study or travel and take step forward becoming a permanent resident or Canadian citizen. IRCC application. Go to IRCC application, visa permit and immigration. Here you can pick according to your need. Tips of success: use your valid email, save your username and password safely, check your account regular for updates, upload clear complete documents, respond quickly to any IRCC message. In this way you can create your account with IRCC and it is easy to use and save time. If you want to watch more videos related to forms and account, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.